Hey guys, today I'm going to make a spicy meatball sandwich. So let's get toasting. I've got some Corando brand spicy Sicilian meatballs here. Now, I bought these at Safeway. They were on sale for $6.99 I think. But I think the regular price is like $9.99. Now these are fresh. I bought these frozen as well. So since they're fresh, they're soft. So what I'm going to do is flatten them out because they cook faster and also they're easier to eat in a sandwich that way. So I'm just going to do that to each one of these. There's 3 of them make a good sandwich. They come 12 in a pack, so one pack will make like 4 sandwiches. Been eating sandwiches all week, so this is getting down to the last of the package here. So getting these sandwiches down. Okay, now I'm going to get that into my toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll get those cooking. You could use your toaster oven tray as well. I'm going to use one of these Artesano sausage rolls for bread. I buy these a lot. They're good for sausage, hot dogs, sandwiches like this. Anyway, just open that up, and I'm going to put some cheese on the top. One thing I like about these is they're fairly soft. My teeth, I'm getting older, and I've actually chipped my teeth several times on like hard bread and chips and things like that. So I like hard bread, it's just I can't eat it very well anymore. So these work out pretty well. Okay, once the sausage looks like it's getting almost done, I'll put that in the oven and toast it a little bit. My sausage had been cooking for about 7 or 8 minutes and it's starting to look pretty good. I just realized I forgot to season it. It's not very salty, so I'm going to add just a little bit of kosher salt. And you know me, might as well add a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper as well. And then I'm going to take my my bun, my sandwich roll here, or sausage roll rather, get that on there, and I'll get that back in there and let it toast. I'm just kind of keeping an eye on this. I switch it to the toast setting when I put the bread in there. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to put some pasta sauce on there. This is Classico Traditional. Actually, I've tried heating it with heating the sauce, but I like it just as well this way because the sausage is warm enough that, or I keep saying sausage, it's meatballs rather. I flatten them out so they're kind of flat balls. But anyway, we'll just put these on there like that, and that'll heat the sauce. So, but it makes it easier to eat if you flatten them out this way. See, they kind of just fit right on there. And then I'll spread a little sauce over the top as well. There we are. And then I can just put the lid on like that. There we go. Alright, let's try this baby out. I wonder, hopefully it's cool enough it won't burn my mouth. Cheese is all nice and melted there. Alright, here we go. Those are pretty spicy. They have some cayenne pepper or something in them. They're pretty hot, but they're good. Got a little piece for Annie. I hope that's not too big and spicy for her. Swallowed it right down. One thing about these buns is they seem to hold up pretty well too. Sometimes you buy the cheapy ones, they just kind of all fall apart. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.